Hey guys, hope you guys are having a terrific day. This is Shelly. I am the Black Bag Therapist, helping you to take things out of that bag as well as put things in your bag that might be helpful for you for life. So I'm outside today and I want to talk to you for a moment about mindfulness and how being outdoors is a great free mindfulness activity that you can tap into. So mindfulness is really just kind of turning your attention to something without judgment, just kind of immersing yourself in whatever that thing is. And it's a great tool. So being outside, just looking at the trees, the clouds, the sky. There are a lot of bees, which I'm not really super happy about, but there are a lot of bees over here in my backyard. But just really turning my attention to it and just kind of immersing myself in the moment. It can be very calming. So the other thing that I'm doing is I've created a garden, and I thought I would share my gardening journey with you because there's something great about kind of getting your hands in the dirt and moving things around and planting. Planting represents life and substance, and it's another great mindfulness tool that you can do. And I'm hoping that along with this mindfulness tool, I will also produce a crop. So I'll keep you along on my mindfulness gardening journey. So let me show you what I have done so far. Okay, let me see here. Why is it not letting me flip? Sorry guys, hold on. For whatever reason, it's not letting me flip it. So I'm just going to turn it around and hopefully you'll get a good view. So this is my garden. I have lots of tomatoes and dill and cilantro and watermelon and cantaloupe and green pepper and squash. And I'm starting these down here from scratch. So hopefully something will happen there. What I'm most excited about is this plant right here. Let me see, can you see that? I hope you can. This plant right here, this is a mosquito plant, so hopefully it will kind of keep the bugs away. So this is my mindfulness journey to using gardening. And I can tell you, it was just such a relaxing, calming, and exciting experience. So I encourage you to find a hobby, something that you can fully immerse yourself in and kind of not worry about anything. Just fully immersing yourself into whatever activity it is that you are engaging in, and notice what you notice. So if you have some activities or something that you do for mindfulness, hey, drop it in the comment box below. I'd love to hear what you do to be mindful and how you use nature as a mindfulness tool. All right, this is Shelly, your Black Bag Therapist. Hope you guys have a terrific day. Stay safe. Bye.